In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink text to a web page in Google Sheets on your desktop so you can easily connect any cell to an external link. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheet in your desktop browser. Make sure you're signed in and that you're working in the correct sheet and tab so the link ends up exactly where you need it. Next, click the cell where you want the hyperlink to live. Think about what people will see and click on. If the cell is empty, type the text you want to turn into a link, like a page title or a short phrase. If the cell already has text, just select that text so it becomes the clickable part. Using clear, descriptive text keeps your sheet clean and helps others understand where the link will take them, instead of showing a long, messy URL. Now, with the cell selected, right-click and choose Insert Link. This opens the link box where you'll add the destination. In the field that appears, enter the full web page URL you want to connect to. It's a good idea to include the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so Google Sheets recognizes it as a valid link. You can copy and paste from your browser to avoid typos. Take a moment to double-check the address. A small typo can send someone to the wrong place or break the link entirely. When you're confident the URL is correct, click Apply to finish adding the hyperlink. You'll notice the text in the cell becomes underlined and changes color, indicating it's clickable. Hovering over the cell typically shows a small preview with the link, which is a quick visual confirmation that everything worked. A few quick tips as you use this. Keep link text short and meaningful, especially if you plan to share the sheet with others. Avoid pasting long, raw URLs directly into cells unless that's specifically what you want people to see. And consider using consistent wording for similar links so your sheet feels organized and easy to scan. That's it. You opened your Google Sheet, selected the target cell, typed or selected the text, right-clicked to insert a link, entered the web page URL, and clicked Apply. With those simple steps, you've turned ordinary text into a clean, clickable path to any web page you need. This keeps your sheet readable while still giving quick access to external resources.